Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by connecting the correct cable to the headphones and a 5V USB power source. This is critical because voltage mismatch slows or prevents charging. Once connected, make sure the charging port clicks or seats fully. A loose plug won't deliver current. While charging starts, avoid moving the headphones and disable Bluetooth to reduce power draw. You'll see an LED or voice prompt. This confirms current flow. Keep the device face up on a stable, dry surface as it charges. You should monitor the LED and the JBL app or phone widget to track percent. The LED gives a quick status because it's tied directly to the internal charging circuit. If the headphones feel warm, make sure they're not inside a case. Heat slows charging and can trip safety cutouts. Once charging reaches a stable green or reads above 80% in the app, you can unplug soon. Make sure to let the battery settle for a minute. The indicator can lag behind the true state of charge. When the LED shows fully charged or the app reads near 100%, unplug to prolong battery lifespan. Keeping lithium batteries at 100% constantly shortens longevity. If the headphones don't charge, test a different cable and a known good 5V charger. Cables often fail before devices do. Also inspect the port for debris and use a soft brush if needed. If indicator lights behave oddly or charging stalls, perform the manufacturer's reset sequence. This often clears firmware hangs, preventing normal charging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.